Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to back up WhatsApp messages. The easiest way to back up and restore WhatsApp on Android is to use Google Drive. This avoids the need to locate, transfer, and download your WhatsApp backup via local storage. When using this method, WhatsApp will back up your chats to Google Drive. However, the backup must first be created on your Android itself. So, ensure your Android has sufficient free storage space to store the backup before you proceed. A WhatsApp backup will not count against your storage limit in Google Drive. To back up your WhatsApp messages to Google Drive, open the WhatsApp, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen, tap on the settings, select chats, and tap on chat backup. Then, back up to Google Drive. Ensure that the backup frequency is set to anything except never. Select the Google account you wish to back up to. Then, tap Backup. The second option, if you'd prefer not to back up your private chats to a cloud service like Google, you can instead save your backup to your device SD card. To back up your WhatsApp messages locally to your SD card, on the WhatsApp, on the settings, tap on Chats, Chat Backup, and tap Backup to Google Drive. Set the backup frequency to never. And go back to the chat backup screen and tap Backup. Restoring WhatsApp messages from a backup. Loss or damage of a phone, accidental deletion of important messages, and migrating to a new device are all examples of why you wish to restore a WhatsApp backup to a device. Before restoring a backup, you may wish to ensure that your existing backup is up to date. Creating a new backup will ensure that all your most recent chats and messages are saved to the backup. This will prevent losing any data since the last backup was made. To restore your WhatsApp chat history from a Google Drive backup, ensure that your Android device is linked to the Google account to which you made the WhatsApp backup. Install the WhatsApp, open it, and allow WhatsApp access to the Google Drive backup by tapping Continue. Then verify your phone number when prompted. Tap Restore to initiate the process, and once the process is complete, tap Next. WhatsApp will restore all your chats from the backup, and you can start using the app. WhatsApp will then continue to restore your media from the backup. This may take some time. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.